What's up guys, welcome to another video. It's Christmas time. I love Christmas lights. I've decorated my house. Thought I'd show you guys what I get up to when I'm not working on cars. So I've been asked by a couple of subscribers for a rundown on the Mark II and the mods that have been done to it. Starting off on the outside, it runs a custom front lip. This was modelled off the factory Aero front lip, but it's been modified to have a smooth lip as opposed to a curvy lip like the factory one does. The car also runs Blit wagon side skirts, which are also flatter in the middle without any curves like the factory Mark II item. In the front we run 18 by 9.5 inch plus 18 wheels with a 235 4018 Bridgestone semi-slick. In the back we run 18 by 11 plus 18 wheels with a 265 semi-slick in the rear. We need this for traction for the power this car makes. In the back we have just a custom exhaust tip. Very simple styling on the outside, apart from the very wide wheels on it. And under the bonnet, this is where the magic happens. The car's running the 1JZ GT engine. It's running a GTX 3076R turbocharger on a 6-boost manifold with a Turbo Smart external wastegate, teal blow-off valve, Gritty intercooler, Gritty radiator. It runs HKS 264 degree camshafts. The whole head's been rebuilt. It's had valve stems done, timing belt, water pump, everything else. It also runs ARP head studs, and it's had a LC rings and bearings. It runs MSD coils and LS1 core packs, and it runs a Link G4 ECU. Car's currently putting out 385 kilowatt at the wheels, which makes it a bit of a weapon. It's been super reliable, great car to drive, great power for the size of the chassis too. As you can see, we've had to do a fair bit of heat protection because that big turbo gets pretty darn hot, especially when we're blasting out on the track. On the road it's not really an issue, but out on the track it's a serious issue. Suspension wise, it's running Cusco coilovers, and underneath it's running hard race adjustable arms. So camber in the front, it's got camber, tow and traction in the rear, it's got lower arms, it's got Cusco sway bars, so it's a really well handling car for the size of it. Next thing we've got to upgrade though is the brakes. Recently I did pads and new rotors, but time for some 4-pots or something maybe bigger, because this thing gets a bit hot on the track and could pull up a bit better. And we're running a Link Fury ECU, which also helps to power our Link digital dash system. Probably my favourite part of the car. The car runs switchable boost. It's got a switch down here, allows it to go from 330 kilowatt to 385 kilowatt. A basic double din head unit, but pretty standard interior. Fueling wise, we're running HKS 850cc injectors, we're running a Tomei fuel pressure regulator, we're running twin Dishworks fuel pumps in the rear. Hey guys, thanks for watching another video. I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for the support in 2021. We'll be back better than ever next year. Enjoy yourselves, have a good break.